Hello everyone, myself Mrs. Prachi Gupta. Today I am going to explain chapter 6 of second semester of English grammar of first class. In this chapter we will study about use of this and that. All of you are watching, here is a table. All of you are watching, here is a table. Then we can say this is a table. Then we can say this is a table. All of you can see that this is a bus. All of you can see that this is a bus. When things are nearer to us, then we will say this is a bus. When things are farther from us, then we will pointing to something by using that. Just like here is a table lamp. It is farther from us. So we will say that is a table lamp. Here is a fan. It is farther from us. It is away from us. Then we will say that is a fan. In conclusion, we use this while pointing to something which is close by, means which is nearby. And we use that while pointing to something which is little away, which is farther from us. Some another examples we will take like this. If anyone will ask to us, is this a car? Then we will say, no, this is not a car, this is a bus, because it is nearer to us. Now if anyone will ask to you, is this a balloon? Then what will you answer? Yes, this is a balloon, because it is nearer to us. Here small arrow has made, then we will say this is a balloon. After that, another example we will take. If cap is farther from us, then we will say, is that a bag? Then we will answer, no, that is not a bag, that is a hat. Another example we will take. If lion is farther from us, and anyone will ask to you, is that a lion? Then what will you say? Yes, that is a lion. In conclusion, we use this with near objects and we use that with farther objects. I hope you all will understand the concept of this or that. Read the chapter properly so that you can understand it. Thank you everyone.